Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? It's your favorite boy Yo Ye, and today I'm back to talk to you about a couple of things that bugs my mind. Have you ever had the situation where somebody walks up to you and say, "Hey man, are you available at 5 o'clock?" And you'd be like, man, I'm busy at 5, I don't have time. How about 8 o'clock? And the other dude goes, 8 o'clock, I gotta do this and that. So, okay, maybe we'll try tomorrow. Have you seen that part in the movie Friday where this guy, Big Worm? Yeah, Big Worm was talking to Smokey, and Big Worm was like, "Smokey, playing with my money? It's like playing with my emotions, man." And you know, people say time is money. So if time is money and you play with somebody's time, it means you're playing with their money. You play with their money, you play with their emotions. I know for sure you play with my money, you play with my emotions. Today we're diving into money. Did you guys hear the news about Jeff Bezos? This dude, the owner of Amazon, is worth $102 billion. $102 billion, that's 12 figures, man. And we out here crying to Jesus so we could get a 6-figure pay, $125,000. You're gonna say, "Oh yeah, all right, I'm a big boss." Sit your butt down, man. You are broke. $100,000? Jeff Bezos, I got 12 figures, man. Do you know what his time is worth? When you count it down to the minutes and you divide it, it means this dude makes about $36,000 per minute. That's a lot. That's a whole lot more than some other people's yearly salary, yo. What I'm trying to get at is you really need to understand what your time is worth. If you're making about $90,000, if we take it down per hour, it means you only earn about $10 an hour. You gotta be careful. The way I did this calculation is 90,000 divided by 12 months a year, divided by 30 days a month, divided by 24 hours in a day, and you're gonna come down to about $10 or something. So if you're really earning 90,000, you're still broke, man. Don't start buying shit that you can't afford. Don't start buying shoes that's $2,000 just because you can buy it, man. Come on, you're gonna be broke forever. I want to be like Jeff Bezos, man. $102 billion. Let that sink in for a moment. What am I trying to say? In this world, time is important and money is important. Time is the only real valuable thing we have to offer to anybody who needs anything from us. If you want to go work for a company, the only thing they're going to ask you for is your time. Sir, we're going to need you to work 8-hour shifts. We're going to need you to work 13-hour shifts. They're going to work you to death. All they want from you is your time. And when you're putting your time into somebody else's company, somebody else's business, you're helping them build their money. So they're paying you little pennies so that you can build their company. They're paying me little pennies so they can build their company too. But guess what? I'm doing things on the side that's going to eventually make me start paying other people to build my own company for me. So I want you guys to do the same thing. Today, all I got for you is a question. Who do you want to be like? The dude that people work for, or the dude that works for people? Thank you very much. It's your favorite boy Yo Ye. I'm signing out.